gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And for today, for sure, my last video, I said in my previous video, this is it. I will be getting into some Fit for an Autopsy and their song called Saltwound lyric video. Almost close to 300k views, almost there. Posted 4 years ago. I am very familiar with this band. I enjoyed their last 2 albums. However, on the recent album, there's still a few songs I haven't heard though. Except for I See Tragic Beasts, love that song. My all-time favorite song for this band probably has to go to Black Mammoth, talking about the North Dakota pipeline. Very interesting, but ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna dive straight into it. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoy what you see. If not, I appreciate you all for having the time for viewing this video. Thank you very much. Let's dive straight into it. Much love. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it.
How many essence of lies? Hammer the rust and nail deeper into my side. From me when nails and thorns down to the bone. The great eyes shall black. The soul of the shepherd exposed. Ruin. Lay the city shall ruin. That's all I wanted. We are reborn into something light. Souls wounds. Every night is a night that I wish would end. Souls wounds. Every fight is a fight that I cannot win. God is a lie and man is a failure. God is a lie, and man is a failure. I wanna reach out, but there's a disconnect between the ones we love and the ones we neglect. The light's gone dead, but the receiver sound makes a silence. No operating, just hardwired to a world of violence.
And enough, ladies and gentlemen. It's a fucking truth. Sometimes people should just fucking die. Some pretending that's wrong, some pretending it's a lie. Sometimes people should just fucking die. Some pretending that's wrong, some pretending it's a lie. Souls wounds. Every night is a night that I wish would end. Souls wounds. Every fight is a fight that I cannot win. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Fit for an Autopsy and their song called Saltwound. I cannot tell you how much I love this band. When I first heard them sometime last year, oh my god. One of the first songs I've heard was it was the first song off of their second to last album. So I found the song. Sorry, it took me a while to look for it. I'm like, what's that song? So the first song I have heard from this band was Hydra, and ever since then it was just oof. I wish I reacted to those at the time, but it was a long time ago. I enjoyed it so much. Oh yeah, so now I discovered them. So last year during the summer. So I know I said Black Mammoth was my favorite song from these guys, but I think When the Bulbs Burn Out or Too Late or Empty Still. See, off of that album right there, so gorgeous, filled with amazing, beautiful songs. But this one I just heard, Saltwound, oh my god, this is a banger as well. I gotta this band, oh my god, this band makes me so happy. Just hearing the vocals and then just the entire band, their composition is unlike no other. Their tone of their sound is different for sure. I know that this band was supposed to tour with Thy Art Is Murder. I'm going to do my very best to react to more songs from this band, but I have like hundreds of requests, so please bear with me. It might take a while for me to get back to this band. Who knows? I might react to it tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking forward to listening to more songs from this band because I love them very much. Very much. But I'll leave it at that. Much love. Stay safe. Alright, and this is it. I'm dead serious. I'm dead serious. This is my final video for today. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll see y'all later. Alright.